Poland is being hit by a severe snowstorm. On Tuesday, a snowstorm spread across the northern part of the country, with snowfall increasing by several centimeters. Furthermore, blizzards and snowdrifts have begun to form, worsening road conditions. Heavy snowfall is expected to continue in northeastern Poland, at least until Wednesday. IM&UM warnings and RCB warnings are in effect in parts of the country. Strong winds are also expected in coastal areas and parts of the northeast. The situation is particularly difficult in Warmia-Masury and the Masurian Islands. Around 3:30 p.m. on Tuesday, a snowstorm hit the town of Ploskinia. According to Medio.pl forecaster Damian Stomek, the storm was accompanied by heavy snowfall, with 4 to 6 centimeters falling in an hour. Winds accompanying the storm reached speeds of 60 to 80 kilometers per hour. After 2:00 p.m., similar conditions were observed near Piotrków Kujawski and Izbica Kujawska. A severe snowstorm hit Ostróda. Footage from the city shows visibility reduced to almost zero. Firefighters from the Warmia-Masuria Voivodeship responded to 8 calls overnight for fallen trees blocking roads. Between midnight and 1 p.m. on Tuesday, they received 5 more calls to remove fallen trees and branches. There were no reports of injuries. Matus Schauer, deputy voivode of Warmia-Masuria Voivodeship, announced that due to the snowstorm, more than 300 households in the Wygorzuło, Kętrzyn, and Szczytno boroughs experienced power outages. The outages are being repaired continuously. Road conditions in the Warmia-Masuria Voivodeship were challenging on Tuesday morning. Due to slippery conditions, the intersection of National Road 15 and Provincial Road 536 between Lubowa and Nowe Miasto Lubawskie was closed. 2 trucks were unable to navigate the incline, blocking the intersection and causing traffic congestion. The situation in Podlasie was also difficult. A sand-carrying truck overturned on National Road 63 just after 3:00 p.m. The incident occurred in the town of Gilchin, between Łomża and Zambra. According to authorities, no one was injured in the accident. In Łomża on Zjazd Road, leading into the city, traffic was blocked by a truck that couldn't make it uphill. A similar situation occurred at the Hubala Bridge on Sikorskiego Road, said Deputy Commissioner Karolina Wojcikian, press officer for the Łomża City Police Headquarters. By midday, officers from the Białystok State Fire Service had carried out a total of 17 interventions, most of which involved tree branches strewn across the road. No one was injured. As Timedio.pl forecaster Damien Stonik explained, heavy and scattered snowfall is expected in the region tonight. The heaviest snowfall is expected in the Warmia-Masury regions, with slightly lighter snowfall in Pomerania, Podlaskie, and northern Mazovia. These conditions are expected to continue through Tuesday and Wednesday. The rain will be accompanied by strong winds, with gusts of up to 40 to 60 kilometers per hour inland and up to 100 kilometers per hour along the coast, he explained. He added that northeastern Poland will experience unfavorable weather conditions, including heavy snowfall, blizzards, and snowdrifts, with visibility limited to below 100 meters.